you feel good, baby? You feel good. Good morning and welcome to another vlog on my way into work. Nothing special, just a quick chat. And I think we're all bummed that summer is on its way out, and I'm riding on a late August morning into work and it feels a bit chilly, which is a shame. Last year was absolutely stunning, but we were spoiled with that, and this year's been warm and wet, warm and moist. Moist weather, just generally very moist. And if you hate that word, I apologise. I was actually going to get some fuel, so I've just got to take a bit of a detour here. Let's go and get some expensive Go Juice. Make sure I stick the E5 in. Let's go get some fuel. Now, E5. No, E5. 2 bikes I put fuel in 2 days. There we go. £1.60 for E5. That's insane. Lucky I don't have to put a lot in this. No, don't spill it. That 8 litres, nearly 13 quid. That is insane. Insane, but necessary. Gosh, she's looking a bit filthy. Petrol station photo. £12.76. For the expensive Go Juice. And now, I always wonder, would I be alright putting E5 in it? Now, it definitely doesn't run as well on E5, that's for sure. Reset, baby. Yeah, it definitely doesn't run as well on E5. No, I'm talking rubbish. It definitely doesn't run as well on E10, not E5. Get that out of your head. So I always tend to put E5 in it, just because it's a high octane, and I worry about what the ethanol content would do on E10 to an older bike like this one. I mean, it's 2005, so should I worry? Has anyone else got experiences? Does anyone else follow me who rides an MT-01 that is fine running E10? Because you hear lots of horror stories about it ripping out the inside of people's petrol tanks and killing all the rubbers, seals on older bikes. The issue I've got is there's no way I can replace the seals on this for the seals that would actually, I know, would be okay, because they don't make them. But I wouldn't know where to search for that sort of thing. And also, there's some smaller petrol stations that don't even do the E5 stuff. So where do I stand with that? Because eventually I guess that they won't produce E5 anymore, which is depressing. Because it just won't be required. It won't you know, people aren't going to get a brand new car with a petrol engine and stick E5 in it because their car's perfectly okay on E10. And they're not going to pay over the odds for it. Your average person's not going to go, oh, I really fancy putting some expensive fuel in my car today because I really want to feel the performance on my daily commute into work. They're just not going to do it. You're not going to do it. No, you're never going to do it. Not this time. I don't think I'll have to worry about the loyalties on that one. Loyalties. Where are your loyalties, man? Yeah. Oh, I love this bike. I've been thinking I really need to get a sensible motorbike so I can go touring and stick loads of bags on it morning and stuff like that. But there is just something about the MT-01, and unless you've ridden one, it's very hard to explain. It just feels good to ride. So incredibly good. We've got the right note for me, the right exhaust note, just about the right. I could do with a little bit more power on it, I think. But that note, oh, that note. It's got to be one of my favourite bikey noises. I like all motorcycle noises, but when you're riding, your favourite noise. It just feels very correct. We are flying to work this morning. That's what I miss about schools going back, is the traffic will be back. Oh well. But that was a fun ride into work. Well, we're not quite there yet, but we will be soon. Excuse me everybody, coming through. Anyway, I think that's where we'll pack it up today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please give me a subscribe, give me that thumbs up, comment below, tell me what you think, have a chat with me, and I'll see you next time on Tom's TC. Bye.